That's what the Bible says, a fool says in his heart, there is no God. Isilima sithi enhlizweni yaso akekho uNkulunkulu. Uyazi lelo verse maliqhubeka lithi labo bantu uma sebesho leyo nto leyo, isizathu sokuthi basho leyo nto bafinyelele to that conviction, bafinyelele to that conclusion, it's because they want to sin more. Umuntu azi ukuthi there is no higher power than him, especially God. Ngiyabona mhlambe abantu abangasekho because abantu esake sababona noma abantu abake babakhona. Kodwa la I'm talking about the real God. Lithi iBhayibheli, a fool says in his heart there is no God. Bese baphina, bayeba, bayantshontsha, benza lokhu, baqamba amanga. Namanye amazwi labantu laba, they want to create a space to do wrong things, so they remove God away from them. They remove the eye that will convict them of their sin. Basusa i-umbrella, basusa into, basusa unembeza ngamanye amazwi, bawushisa nge-ayini unembeza wabo. So that is why they say there is no God. Without any debate, without ukuphikisana nayo yonke into, bazalwane bafowethu, bantu bakaNkulunkulu, sizwe noma ngabe umnyama, noma ngabe uyakhanya, noma ngabe u-rich, noma ngabe awukho rich, noma ungaya esontweni noma awuye esontweni, uNkulunkulu ukhona mfethu. I'm talking about the living God. Ukhona uNkulunkulu ophilayo. Ngelila ngasomchazela thina sisike sa experience izinto ngaloNkulunkulu. Kodwa for the fact ukuthi umhlaba wena wawufica na, ukuthi wazela uma wakho nobaba wakho, sibuye siyikhulume leyo nto. Ake sikhulume ukuthi umhlaba wawufica na, amatshe nezihlahla, imfula, isibhakabhaka, wakufica na. For that reason there is God. uNkulunkulu ukhona whether you like it or not. God is in our midst. God is the controller. God is the owner of the universe. For the fact ukuthi uma wakho nobaba wakho bahlangana, kwahlangana ama-sperms, kwahlangana uma wakho, iqanda kama wakho, wase ukhandeka wena, asinankinga nalokho. Into ithi ubani obumba indlebe esiswini, ubani okhanda amehlo esiswini, ubani okhanda ikhanda alishape. Siyeke ngebiology, sikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka la inside wena ongazazi. Uma uthatha uhlamvu ulifaka phansi emhlabathini, ufake kuwuhlamvu, ubani owenza leya process leyana ukuthi kuze kugcine kuvela, ubani okukhulisayo. Siyeke ngebiology yakho leyo, siyeke ngescience. uNkulunkulu yena kodwa yena bafowethu ukhona. You can debate all you can, but there is a living God. The God who created heavens, the God who created earth. Asikaze ke siye ezulwini, asikaze silibone, kodwa umhlaba siwubona ngamehlo. Oyi-indication, owufakazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu lo esimkhonzayo, uNkulunkulu lo ongakhonzwa-ke. Ngoba lithi iBhayibheli uPawulu wafica kwenye indawo kwathiwa uNkulunkulu ongaziwayo. Wathi lo nkulunkulu enimkhonza ningamazi, uyena nkulunkulu engize uzomtshela ngayo. That is the God we are talking about. Ukhona uNkulunkulu whether you like it or you don't like it. Whether it's red or black, there is God. God bless you.